Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2010 government pass question. Question number 21. And the question number 21 here says, which of the following is the main function of the civil service? Which of the following is the main function of the civil service? By definition, civil civil service is a relative relative government government body charged with the duty of of implementing government policies or programs. Then people who work under the civil service are called civil servants. They are called civil servants. Then the question now said that what is their main function? Option A says supporting the party in power. B say allocating resources to the federating units. C say mobilizing grassroots support for the government. D say implementing government policy. So by the definition of civil service, option D is correct. So it means the main function of civil service is to implement government policies. Option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.